About a month ago, Awekeys sent me their Wild Ice keycaps, their newest keycaps. And honestly, these are pretty sick. I really love them, and I'm gonna give you a whole review on them, and we're gonna do this a little bit differently. We're gonna go through the good, the okay, and the bad. So, starting off with the good, what do I love about these? Well, one, they are incredible. These are incredibly high quality metal keycaps with a very special coating. They're beautiful. I mean, look at this blue hue. When I first opened them, they blew my mind with how good they looked and how heavy they were. It was ridiculous how heavy that packaging was. They feel so incredible in the hand. The texture is a little different. They got something called the Nano X. It supposedly makes them more durable. Not exactly sure what that means. I've never owned metal keycaps before. It's supposed to give this sort of like cracked ice effect. I love it. It is so unique and there's like nothing else like it on the market. It also comes with an artisan that I think looks really, really cool. It's a mystery one, so I didn't get to choose or anything like that. We'll get into that later. I think it looks great, and for $30, it's not the worst thing you could buy.
So it's more like $50 per artisan at the cheapest depending on which tier you back. The math is a bit complicated. At that price though, it is fine. Keep in mind though that these are Kickstarter prices, not MSRP, which means after the Kickstarter, I expect these to be much more expensive. So please keep that in mind.
Let's talk about the okay. One, the sound. I'm not a huge fan of how they sound. They're deeper, they're muted, they sound kind of thick and dense, but I'm not a huge fan of the spacebar. I think smaller spacebars, like split spacebars, will sound just fine, but at 6.25U or greater, it's kind of pingy, like a sword. It's weird. I'll have you listen to it here. The next part that's like kind of okay is the price. They are expensive. Yes, you get a bit of a discount when you order it on Kickstarter within a certain date, I believe, but they're not cheap. They're like $300 or $350 MSRP with a slight discount on Kickstarter again. That being said, it's totally understandable. I mean, they're fully metal, but also they are CNC milled. CNC time is expensive, so just keep that in mind. I think that'll be a turnoff for some people, and it is a bit of a high barrier of entry because it honestly costs more than some keyboards. That being said, it's not the worst thing, it's just the nature of the keycaps. The third thing that's kind of is the fact that, well, it's metal, right? So you have to use this sort of MX fitter thing so that they fit properly onto some of your keycaps. Not every single keycap fits the same. Again, this isn't necessarily their fault, it is the nature of metal keycaps. I own metal artisans, I ran into the same issues with those, although typically they're loose rather than tight. So that's why I can't necessarily fault them for it, but you have to know this going forward, especially since if you don't do it properly, you might end up damaging some switches, and not all switches are very cheap. Again, it's just the nature of the beast, but you should know it going forward. And finally, the bad, and really the only nitpick that I have with these, is the nature of the artisan game. It's essentially gacha. Although if you buy 6, you can get all 6 of the normal ones. There is the rare one, which it's a mixed bag as to which one you get. Personally, this doesn't leave a good taste in my mouth. I think you should be able to buy the one that you like the most and just leave it at that. I get it, there's a lot of lore behind this, and that's really cool and it's creative, but I just think that it shouldn't be gacha-fied. So overall, what do I think? Well, as long as you can deal with the downsides, most of them are really just preference-based things, but if you can deal with those things, honestly, I can wholeheartedly recommend these keycaps if you really like them and if you're willing to pay the price. Again, they're not cheap, but I think they're incredibly unique. They are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I will not stop saying that because after a month, I am still in love with how they look and I think they are stunning. But yeah, Awekeys, thank you for sending me this. You really knocked it out of the park, and I really appreciate you for giving me the opportunity to try some metal keycaps. To my viewers, just want to say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time. Peace.